As a machine shop that can produce small batches and prototypes, we can often encounter various changes during production process. I believe designers and engineers in front of the scene are familiar with this situation. Most of our clients require prototyping and small batch production, and their products undergo rapid updates. Sometimes this happens during the production process, such as design optimization and product upgrades are very common. Please see the contents of this folder below. This is an actual project where the design and the requirements of the parts have undergone multiple changes in the actual production process. This is a small batch production. Imagine if we cannot manage it well during production. For instance, use the old version of CAD file or raw material for machining, then we are going to suffer from huge losses. So this video will show you some details about how we can manage different changes that happen during production. First of all, you should already know that we have an internal order management system, in which all parts files and records can be viewed by all departments. To better explain our management of order changes, I will briefly describe how each department uses this system. The production department, also called PMC, will first have the programming engineers determine the material dimensions and procurement based on the BOM list. The manual team will print the requirements for surface treatment from a system. The QC department will download and print the 2D drawings of parts from the system for quality inspection. At the same time, the personnel in charge of tracking orders will update the project progress in the internal table in real time. Will any changes occur after production confirmation, including but not limited to part design, production process, surface treatment, materials, and production time? The project manager will follow the rules of ISO 9001 to implement internal changes and process. Notification to various relevant departments. Here are two examples of how we can manage and communicate changes in the production process. The first example is a project in 2023. There were at least 5 design changes during the production process. These design updates all occurred after the order was confirmed, and every time we received new CAD production files from the designer, the project manager will review and compare the changes. We quickly identify the specific change and confirm them with the designer before handing over to the production engineer teams. After the analysis of machining and cost is completed, project manager will describe the updated parts and specific details in the internal notification document. On the scene, you can see a document detailing the changes where parts features are displayed. The following example is from a recent project. We had to produce optical lenses made of transparent acrylic. After the production of this project was confirmed, the designer updated the 2D drawing with some additional tolerances. However, due to the involvement of a lot of manual polishing operations in the production process, it was impossible to achieve the precision stimulated in the drawing on some of the side surface. We propose a solution during the review phase to ensure high precision on the side surfaces by suggesting the use of fine CNC machining instead of manual polishing. This was necessary to guarantee the important dimensions of the component. This was our communication process with the customer, with important information highlighted. After the proposal was confirmed, the project manager updated the drawing and added Chinese comments to indicate where manual polishing was not possible and how to conduct inspections. We then updated the drawing following the process mentioned above, and all departments printed the new drawing as required. The quality control system also updated inspection drawing.
The above is the procedure for updates and changes in WayKen's management system. We hope that this will help everyone have more confidence in our production. If you have any prototype or batch production, please feel free to contact us and see you in our next video.